Yeah, Michael Schüssler. I'm the lean manager and project manager in Tridelta Meidensha. A full-time job doing improvements.
So what they have done here is something extraordinary. When we want to do improvements, we need to facilitate a place to get materials, get tools, and obviously in the morning meeting we give them knowledge. And with this mix, we're able to have the people do improvements, but you don't need to facilitate that. Please come and join us to see what these guys have done. It's amazing. Michelle, tell us all the good toys that you have here for the team to play with and to invent and to create and to run experiments.
We want to meet the demands of the customer, and we can only do this by doing improvements and stuff like that. And we have a whole wood workshop to do only improvements. We do nothing here for the customer, we do only things for ourselves. We have like every machine you need to do to build like shelves like we want them, like we want to be. And yeah, the advantage is just that we have it like we really want to. We don't have to find something on the market, and we can do it by ourselves in like 1 hour, and we can try it out the next day.
Here's another example of a very unique little card. They cut it, they wrought it, and these are heavy parts, but they're able to manage it and adequate it. And they have great access. So you can see here, easy to access and get in here and pick them up. And you want to secure them. Not a complex thing, very simple, boom. So you have a drill, you have a saw to cut materials, you have, that's a vacuum. And so they're cutting, milling, and routing. You can see what they're doing something here. Black color, I've seen that for the shop, and white color for the office. Is that a router? A table to work, a laser cutter.
We have 3D printers, and I guess this is the best example we want to. So as you can see, we have every tool in it. It's everything organized, and if you have a look at our production, you will see all these kind of stuff inside the production.
So this is just a place really to be creative. They have more tools over here. Every Makita machine that you could possibly think of. A planer for the wood. So this is just a place to have fun, to create.
So we have people working here, but everyone can do improvements here in their free as lean time by their own. So yeah.
This is really a commitment of the leadership that has really understood that people have talents, developing them. And so when the leader understands that if they can unleash that potential just by showing them a little bit of how to use tools and be creative, the possibilities are endless.
It's just that if one person is doing improvements, you will not see it in the production. But if 100 or 150% doing improvements every day and have every tool they need, you will see it. And some people may think, how can you, it's just so expensive, how can you pay so much money on that? We didn't measure it, but I guess we got 10 out of it.
10 times
yes.
the investment, easy.
Yes. Easy.
So you see, this is the words of someone that is inside the organization and truly sees the value. So congratulations.